Ito ang ating tutorial, Telegram text to speech. Hello, magandang araw po muli dito sa Master B channel. Nako, medyo matagal din na hindi tayo nakapag-post ng mga tutorial dito. Ganun lang talaga, medyo nagiging busy lang tayo ng konti. Pero salamat pa rin sa mga subscriber natin dito, medyo dumadami. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At sana patuloy nyo po rin pong i-share yung mga pinopost natin na tutorial dito. At patuloy nyo pa rin po sanang i-subscribe yung ating Master B channel para sa mga iba pang tutorial. At pwede rin kayong mag-comment ng mga application na gusto nyong gawan ko ng tutorial para mas magamit nyo ng maganda yung inyong mga ginagamit na application. So basta kaya kong i-tutorial at gagawin ko yan at dapat ay sa Android kasi wala pa tayong computer so Android pa lang yung ating ginagamit, pero sisikapin ko pa rin na gawa ng tutorial. Kung may mga ipapagawa po kayo, i-comment nyo lang sa comment section ng mga video na ina-upload ko na kasalukuyan yung pinapakinggan. Ayan. So, ngayon, yung ating tutorial, dahil may mga nagre-request dito, ito ang ating tutorial, ang Telegram text to speech bot. Ayan. So, paano nga ba ginagamit itong Telegram text to speech bot? Ayan. So ito ang advantage ng Telegram kasi maraming bot na pwede kayong o pwede nyong pakinabangan. So hindi lang ito yung magandang bot dito sa Telegram. So maraming magagandang bot dito na inyong magagamit. So isa nga dito si text to speech Telegram bot. So, yun ngayon yung ating ituturo. So, punta tayo ng Telegram.
Facebook message Telegram.
So, punta lang tayo sa ating channel,
Telegram. Open that search group. Saved messages channel. Software forum for the blind.
So, dito may pinost ako dito na text to speech ito.
Record attach send rock emoji. Skip share leave a comment button. Robot hey friends, a new bot called text to speech bot sparkles username. An amazing _ voice bot inform one comment button.
So dito para ma-open ngayong bot na yan, kailangan yung gumamit ng open URL. Sa talkback naman, kung naka-talkback kayo, subukan yung gamitin yung talkback menu. Ang gawin nyo, tapatan nyo lang yung tapatan nyo lang to.
Robot hey friends, a new bot called text to speech one comment button.
Yan, tapatan nyo lang yun, then punta kayo sa talkback menu. Meron dong lalabas na link. O kaya naman, kung naka-GSU kayo, tapatan nyo lang yung bot na yon, then punta kayo ng main menu, swipe down, then right. Hanapin nyo dun yung open URL. So, tap ngayon, then lalabas na dun yung link. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng ating tutorial about sa open URL in action, dalawa yun pwede nyo lang panoorin dito sa ating channel. So naka-upload na po yan about sa open URL. So malaki ang pakinabang ng open URL. So marami po kayong magagawa dyan. So katulad na lamang dun sa dito SIM registration, so magagamit ninyo si open URL. So gawin natin, tap natin to.
Robot hey friends, a new bot called main menu.
So yan, nag-open yung main menu ako. Swipe down then right. So hanapin natin dito si open URL.
Main menu open the new actions. Open a URL.
Yan, open in URL. Tap natin.
Software for open a URL. Open and click at amazing_voicebot.
So, tapatan nyo lang yun yung sinabi ko kanina. So, ito na yung bot, oh.
Open click at amazing_voicebot.
Yun, so, amazing bot yung pangalan niya. So, tap natin yan.
Software forum for text-to-speech bot Sparkles.
Yan.
Go back button. Start.
So, para magamit ninyo yun, itap nyo lang itong start. Tap natin itong start.
Check the record voice message button. Record attached bot keyboard message emoji bot menu. Reply. Matt Children Crossing sorry dear. Japanese symbol for beginner. You need to subscribe to the bot's channel in order to use it. https://tv/app reply. Mass bot menu. So, sabi nga dito, hindi doon natin makagamit. So, ang sabi niya, kailangan daw muna natin mag-subscribe sa kanyang channel para magamit natin yung bot na yan. So, ang gawin natin, mag-subscribe tayo sa channel niya. Reply, Master B/start.
Tapatan nyo lang yan.
Children Crossing sorry dear. Japanese symbol for beginner. You need main menu.
Then, open in URL ulit.
Main Visual settings. Open a URL.
Yan.
Text to speech. Open a URL. Click HTTP. Click /start. https://tv/activist.
So, yan yung kanyang link. Tap natin.
Text to speech bot Sparkle AppyBots. Join.
So, itap nyo lang yung join.
Mute.
Yan.
You joined September 20. You joined this channel.
Then, balik kayo dun sa robot. I-back nyo lang yan.
Text to speech bot Sparkles.
Yan.
Go back button.
Then, hanapin nyo lang yung
check the subscription.
Yan. Itap nyo lang itong check the subscription. So, meron dito.
Record voice message. Check the subscription.
Yan. Check the subscription. So, dito nyo malalaman kung nakasubscribe na kayo o hindi. Tap natin. Kasi kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe, hindi nyo magagamit yung bot na yan. Tap natin.
Message text group emoji bot menu. More profile photo. Go back reply. Master current language. Michelle, English, convert text as waving hand, hello dear, Master B. With this bot you can convert voice to writing, or convert text to voice. You can set a language, by pressing the language button, send me the verified checkmark button, send/start now received at 8:22 p.m. Check the subscription sent at 8:22 p.m. Verified checkmark button, send/start now received at 8 waving hand, hello dear, verified check the subscription sent at 8:22 p.m. Scene. So, okay na. Okay na yung ating subscription. So, nakapag-subscribe na tayo. Kasi nakikita na natin to. Verify waving hand, hello dear, Master B. With this bot you can convert voice to writing, or convert text to voice. You can set a language, by pressing the language button, send me the audio clip or text that you want to convert into audio received at 8:22 p.m. So, dito, pagka nakita nyo na yan, ibig sabihin, pwede na kayong mag-convert ng text. So, isa-send nyo sa inyo, via naka-voice na. So, gawin nyo, kung gusto nyo palitan yung kanyang language, dito lang Convert text to speech, button, current language, Michelle, English, United States button.
Yan, so itap nyo lang yan, yung language na yan. Then, tap natin yan.
Telugu button.
So, dito yung mga pamimilian.
Thai button, Turkish button, Ukrainian button, Urdu button.
So, nandito yung English, o nandito yung yung Pilipino, kaya lang hindi gumagana yung Pilipino hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi siya gumagana. So,
Uzbek button, Vietnamese button, Zulu button.
Yan, pumili lang kayo dyan ng language na gusto nyo. Bawa.
Check the subscription sent verified check message text box 6. Children crossing sorry dear reply. Check the subscription sent at 8:22 p.m. Scene.
Hanapin natin yung English.
Verified choose the Afrikaans button. Arabic reply. Master B. Angla button. Bulgarian, Burmese, Catalan, Chinese, Croatian, Czech button, Danish, Dutch button, Estonian, Filipino button, Finnish button, Filipino button.
Dito may Pilipino kasi hindi gumagana. Ayan.
Estonian button, English button.
Tap natin itong English.
September 28. /star children crossing reply. Check this verify choose the Natasha William, English, Australia, male button. Clara, English, Canada, female button.
Ito yung kanyang mga voices,
Liam, English, Canada, male button reply. Master B, check the subscription. Capital U. Choose the accent you want to set. Received at 8:22 p.m.
Hanapin natin yung United States.
Aria, English, United States, female button. Anna, English, United States, female button. Christopher, English, United States, male button. Anna, English, United States, female button.
Itong Ana, piliin natin.
Children cross slash children reply. Check the subs verify. Check language set go back button. Reply. Go back button. Text to speech box sparkles box profile photo more option box menu. Emoji stickers box more options button.
Okay na ba to? Wait lang. Check natin.
Profile text go reply. Go back button. Language verified. Check mark language set to Anna. English United States. Received at 8:22 p.m.
So okay na, okay na.
Go back reply. Go back text profile more option box menu. Emoji message text attach meeting message text box editing.
So, subukan natin yung ginawa ko dito ng ano. Meron kasing activity sa school. So, subukan natin siyang ipabasa sa bot, Subukan natin.
Clipboard history.
Yung assignment at yung assignment ko sa school.
Favorites button. Fave enter 942. Activity manage button. Activity 1.2. 3. Are these supports based on facts, statistics, researches, or simply an observation? Send. Activity 1.2. 3. Are these supports based on send?
So, subukan natin yan. Send natin.
Text to speech box sparkles. More option profile for text to go back button. Reply. Master B record voice message button. Attach message text emoji box menu. More profile for text go back reply. Share button. Reply. Master share voice message. 24 seconds. Not played received at 8:26 p.m.
So, ito na yung voice. Ilakas ko lang.
Music 6, 670, 80, 890, 100. Share button voice message. 24 seconds. Not played received at 8:26 p.m.
So, ito na yung voice. Pakinggan natin. Tap natin yan.
Activity 1.2. 3. Are these supports based on facts, statistics, researches, or simply an observation in personal experiences? Simply an observation. 4. Were all your queries answered properly and clearly? How? Yes, because he explained his answers.
Ang cute naman ng voice nito. Bata pala. Pambihira yan. So, ayun. Yun po. Ganito po yung paggamit ng Telegram text-to-speech bot. So, sana nasundan nyo yung ating tutorial ngayon. So, hanggang sa susunod muli na tutorial. So, manatili lamang kayong nakatutok sa Master B channel para sa mga iba pang tutorial. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.